So, what's the secret sauce behind the creation of better products and systems that improve our lives? It's design. And Illinois Tech is home to the Institute of Design, one of the most renowned design schools in the world. Design student Jocelyn and her fellow classmates are practicing human-centered design in action through hands-on projects that are solving real challenges for real clients. Jocelyn, it is all yours.
Thanks for the introduction, Alex. Before coming to the Institute of Design, I was trained as someone who can be accountable for solving given problems, but ID has actually offered me lenses to look at the complex system and reflect on why we do what we do. ID is much more than a design school. It is actually a supportive community made up by a group of talented, passionate, and inspiring human beings who are drawn together to address the most challenging issues of our time. Being surrounded by this group of amazing designers and system thinkers, I felt the urgent need to step out of my comfort zone. Earlier this year, I teamed up with 5 other ID students and participated in the Rodman Design Challenge, an annual business design competition. With the mentorship of our experienced ID professors, we were able to combine the human-centered design and business strategy to create our final proposal. Our proposal was to reach a new market segment through viable innovation concepts for the biggest retail chain in Canada. As an outcome, we were placed second among the pool of 39 student teams across the globe. Grad school is not only a place for academic achievement, but career development as well. ID provide great resources to connect us with a wide range of organizations, industry professionals through externships, career ID workshops, recruiting events, and most importantly, the strong and engaged alumni network. After ID, I will be working as a UX designer at a global kitchen and bath company. On the 7-person experienced team, actually 3 of us are from the Institute of Design. ID is not only a label to unlocking job opportunities, but also the foundation of my confidence to make an impactful difference in my future work. That's all from me. Alex, take it back.
That blows my mind, Jocelyn. Some of the most exciting ideas get their start at the Institute of Design at Illinois Tech. With innovation-minded designers from Illinois Tech, our future is in good hands. That was fantastic. Thank you again for sharing your story. Take care.